Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to ASUnlocker solution. We are going to help you how to remove the Xiaomi FRP with UK unlock tools. First of all, you have to log in as ASUnlocker.com. You can see I am already on the ASUnlocker.com. Then click on the order now option. If you have no account, you can register and then log in, and you can add credit automatically from my credit option. Order now, then select the server service. You can see the server service credit activation renew. You can see the search option in here. Type here UK tools. UK tools. You can see here the UK tools Xiaomi and Realme tools option. UK tools Xiaomi FRP remove. UK tools here. Quantity. You can buy the 10 credit minimum. Quantity must be 10 to 5,000. You can buy minimum 10 and maximum 5,000 at a time. Then enter your username in here and password. Before order, you have to register. Click here to register. Use your username, password, username, email, and password. Same password type in here. Then click on the register, and then order from here. Quantity minimum 10, and then your username and place order. Place order after you can see the download link also here. You have to download the tool from here. Click here to download. I have already downloaded on my PC, so no need to download. How to connect phone, you can see here the MI assistant mode video. How to connect phone MI assistant mode. Phone you have to connect on the MI assistant mode. We have already MI assistant mode video tutorial here. Press volume up and power. You can see the recovery mode option here, and then you have to select the MI assistant. You can see the connect MI with MI assistant. Select this option. It's called MI assistant mode. Then connect from MI assistant mode. I have already my credited from here. I have already credited on my account. You can also online.
Olá galera, eu sou o Lucas Blindado, sejam todos muito bem-vindos a mais um vídeo do canal. Então galera, no vídeo de hoje vamos fazer a instalação aqui da Stock ROM, que é a ROM oficial aqui do nosso dispositivo. E nesse vídeo aqui vamos utilizar o Mi Flash para fazer a instalação via Flash Boot. E quando a gente fala aí de instalação...
Tool already downloaded on my PC. I'm going to show you directly from here. You go online tools, Realme, Samsung, Xiaomi. Downloading 100%. Slowly 100%. Yes. You get to online. Open. You can see the Xiaomi assistant. Yeah, Qualcomm, MediaTek. You can use OTP for Realme from this option. MediaTek, Qualcomm, any Realme, or yeah, you can select the model also. We are going to show you Xiaomi. You can see here my username and password. I will click on the login. You can see I have already 5 credit. Phone also connected to MI assistant mode. Click here the erase FRP and update MI assistant mode. It said this operation will detect 5 credit. You have to click on yes.